This is a 2005 Honda Accord, and now we are trying to change these windshield wipers to this.
Wow.
But
Okay.
I don't know which one we have to do. So, you see this little trigger? You have to get close. There you go. That little trigger, then you push it down, then you push this down,
Wow.
and then you maneuver it.
Here you go. And what kind of windshield wiper do they call?
It's a J.
J-hook.
It's a J.
It's the most common on Asian vehicles. It's called a J-hook. Allah. Okay, here we go.
So now we're trying to install the 26 new windshield wiper, and we're using this thing, the J, I don't know, hook, and then you're gonna put it in here.
Oh. All the way up. As far as you can. Don't worry, because you remember what I told you. The blade gonna lock them in.
Go.
The blade gonna lock them in.
We're gonna put it in here.
Right like that. You hear him click.
There you go.
So now, see, you seen how she clicked them in this way, and you see here, there's no way the blade gonna come out because this is the lock-in right here. Showtime.
Can it be installed either way, this way or that way?
Yeah.
Yes.
Cause 26 inches either way, so you get the. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go with side 2, which is how many inches, Bill?
Oh, 18 inches.
All right, let's
Heidi?
go ahead. Heidi's gonna attack that all by herself this time. I'm not gonna give her any instruction.
Yeah.
She's gonna fly this jet all by herself. But as you can see, this one is a little bit more challenging because of the distance. But I think what Honda did was they knew that, so they made the wiper blade smaller on the challenging distance side so that it would be easier. But Heidi's gonna get this thing. Wow, she got him, Bill.
Okay, off.
So, if you ever forget and you want to change wiper blades, no, usually those are more complicated. This is GM. Don't worry, that's all GM. That's not you. Even the Ford is J-hook.
Okay, and then now.
Only GM is. So now she gonna get them attached to the J-hook configuration on the J-hook arm. Oh, I think you get them the right way.
Windshield wiper.
There you go. You get them the right way. Yeah. All the way as hard as you can go. There you go. Almost. Oh yeah, that look good. That look good. As long as the thing go on and this edge part clear, you're good. Look good. Yeah, that looks good. Good to me. Good enough for me.
So that can go on either way?
Yeah. Oh no, other way. Other way. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, I think. No, other way, I think. Turn them around. Flip them. Try to look at them. You see them, man?
Oh, no, I see.
Yeah, you see them, man? Yeah, so if it doesn't look right, it's probably not right. There you go, you snap. So now you get the downward lock, and you get the top lock.
Snaps.
I heard it.
Snap. Snap.
We don't want to
So?
crackle and pop though.
Don't worry.
Okay.
So, what? How many minutes did it take? Less than a minute.
10.
Alright. Good job, and it was done by...
Heidi Geiger.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
Yee-hee. Talk to the people.